It's Monkey Mania over at TRDQ, where we're spending the month with all sorts of monkeys and apes, all while dodging comments that I'm miscategorising these fictional characters and thinking my audience should really get a grip. Titan's Return Apeface is easily the best of the Titan Master accessory molds. We get the Apeface Titan Master, who can convert into a pretty vicious looking head. That definitely feels more Soundwave than Apeface. I swapped the heads on the Siege Apeface mold, but I don't like it nearly as much. He comes with this little jet which is super chubby and cute, and he can sit inside, or you can take a nap once the thing's transformed into this odd gun mode. Both are fun, sure, but they don't compare to the majesty of that ape mode. Maybe the most adorable little fella in Transformers history. The Titan Master can even ride on the back. My heart! There's also this yellow incarnation in Rarigo, who comes with Takara Tomi's Legends Weirdwolf. I only have the Hasbro version, but don't go making a big deal out of it. And let's not forget Ape X Arms, who comes with E-Hobby Convobat in optimal Optimus colours, and even I have to admit, that's pretty good. Whichever you go with, you're going to have a great time if you can imagine that.